Hello student, welcome to our electrical YouTube channel and our subject is electrical material and wiring practice. And our today's topic is electrical wiring. First of all, we see the syllabus of this topic, in which include the types of wire and the types of cable. The next, we also study different component and accessories of electrical wiring system. Next topic is electrical wiring system, and next is electrical wiring types. Next topic including the syllabus is cable laying, cable joint, proper size lungs, crimping of joint. So now start our topic. Our first point is types of wire and cables. First, we see the wire. Any conductor which is composed of conducting material uniform in diameter and circular in cross section is called a wire. Next, cable. A length of single insulated conductor, solid or standard, or two or more such conductor, each provided with its own insulation, which are laid up together, is called cable. Next, you see the types of wire. First types is VIR wires. Vulcanized India rubber wire. Second one type is a lead alloy sheathed wire. This type. Third one type is TRS, tough rubber sheet, or it's also called as CTS, cap tire sheet wire. This type. Fourth one is weatherproof wire. This type. Fifth one is flexible wire. This. Next we see the type of cables. First is a VIR cables, vulcanized India rubber cable. Second one is a CTS, cap tire sheet wire. Third one is PVC cable. Fourth one type is the lead sheathed cable. Fifth one is weatherproof cable. And last one is rupture cable. Our next topic is electrical component and accessories in wiring. Our first component is electric meter. Next component is fuse. Third one component is distribution box. Fourth one component is main switch, or it is also called as a MCCB. This. Fifth one component is trip switch, or it is also called as RCCB. Sixth one component is wall switches. Seventh one component is plug socket. It one is electrical wires and cable. Ninth one is two-way switches. You see one by one. Our first component is electric meter. Electric meter is common part that can be seen in all types of electricity consumer, whether the consumer is domestic, industrial or commercial. It can be used to record the electricity is utilized by specific consumer such as domestic, industrial or commercial, which help in calculating electricity bill per month. It has two types. First type is a Dix electric meter and the second one is digital meter. Our second component is fuse. Fuse is nothing but a piece of wire or a conductor which is inside a plug or an electric device that protects electrical appliances from the dangerously high current due to abnormal condition or any faults. The standard fuse rating are 3 ampere, 5 ampere, 13 ampere, 15 ampere and so on. The symbol for fuse is this type. This type symbol basically used for to indicate the fuse. Our next component is distribution box. It consists of main switch, MCCB, molded case circuit breaker, trip switch, RCCB, residual current circuit breaker, circuit breakers. Distribution box helps distributing the electricity to different sections of the house. It contains lighting circuit, power circuit, etc. Our next one component is trip switch, that means RCCB. It is just similar to fuse that isolate the healthy part of circuit from the fault. Trip switch is designed to interrupt a circuit suddenly in case of any abnormality or any faults. Our next component is main switch or MCCB. Every consumer is equipped with a DB in which the main switch is located. It is the first electrical part that receives the electricity before any of the electrical equipment connected to the distribution box. The switch is useful while carrying out the maintenance or in case of troubleshooting where connecting or disconnecting the supply is required. Our next component is wall switches. It is a single, 2 and 3 gang wall switches. Switches are used in lighting circuit, power circuit and in plug socket circuit to connect or disconnect the circuit as per one's requirement. There are different types of wall switches including push button, press button, toggle, bell and rocker. This is a push button, press button, toggle. There are single, double, triple, quadruple as well as quintuple wall switches. Our next component is plug sockets. Plug sockets are used to connect electric supply for appliances like computer, electrical heaters, television, and refrigerators. There are plug sockets to get 5 ampere, 13 ampere, or 15 ampere current. This switch is useful while carrying out the maintenance or in case of troubleshooting where connecting or disconnecting the supply is required. The type of plug socket are 2-pin plug socket and 3-pin plug socket. Next, our next component is electric wire and cables. There are 3 types of electrical wires: live wire, neutral wire, and earth wire. Each of this wire contain different color code depending upon the country. This color coding is only for convenience to electrician. Wire with red, yellow, blue color indicate live connection, so those are live wire. Wire with black colors indicate neutral connection, so they are neutral wire. Wire with green colors indicate earth connections, so they are earth. Our next component is two-way switches. Two-way switches are just similar to normal switches, but operation-wise they are different. The switches are used to operate a light from 2 different places. The different types of electrical wiring system. Thank you.